Look at this man. He fell 20 feet into a burning ship, nearly drowned while building a tunnel, and bankrupted multiple companies. Yet, despite every setback, his relentless ambition made him one of the most important engineers in history. This is the story of Isambard Kingdom Brunel, a story of genius, triumph, and heartbreak. A man whose bold dreams built the modern world. A genius in the making. Born in 1806, Brunel was destined to change the world. His father, Marc Brunel, was already Britain's most renowned engineer. From a young age, Isambard showed signs of brilliance, learning complex engineering concepts while most children played. But there was a darker side to his father's genius: financial ruin. Marc's poor financial management led to a humiliating stint in debtor's prison, a fate that haunted the Brunel family. Watching his father struggle left an indelible mark on young Isambard. He vowed to succeed, but also to avoid the mistakes that had nearly destroyed his father. At just 20 years old, Isambard joined his father on a project that would test his resilience and courage like never before: the Thames Tunnel. The death-defying Thames Tunnel. The Thames Tunnel was revolutionary, a project that would connect London's banks by going under the mighty river. But this vision came at a price. Floods, toxic fumes, and financial hurdles plagued the project from the start. Workers risked their lives every day, and so did young Brunel. In one terrifying incident, a flood surged through the tunnel, carrying Brunel away unconscious. He was only saved at the last second. Many might have abandoned the project after such a close call. But not Brunel. This brush with death only fueled his determination. The tunnel's completion took over 2 decades and pushed the Brunel family to their limits. But when it opened in 1843, it became the first underwater tunnel under a major river, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. During this time, Brunel wrote in his diary, "I should pass through life as most people, live in a small house. My father may die, or the tunnel may fail, and I most likely cut my throat or hang myself." His ambitions were already consuming him. Bridging the impossible. The Clifton Suspension Bridge. After surviving the challenges of the Thames Tunnel, Brunel turned his sights to the skies, designing the Clifton Suspension Bridge, a structure unlike anything seen before. Spanning the Avon Gorge, the bridge was originally designed for horse carriages. Yet, Brunel's engineering genius made it so durable that it still carries over 12,000 vehicles daily. Brunel's work here wasn't just practical, it was beautiful. His vision was to merge form and function, creating landmarks that would endure for generations. The Great Western Railway, a revolutionary path. Brunel's greatest triumph may well have been the Great Western Railway, a project that redefined transportation in Britain. While his competitors chose crowded routes through populated areas, Brunel chose a daring path through uninhabited countryside. It was an expensive gamble, but it paid off. His design, nicknamed Brunel's billiard table, created the smoothest, fastest railway in Britain. And his commitment to first principles led him to question the industry standard railway gauge. Brunel proved that his broader 7-foot gauge was more stable, more comfortable, and allowed for higher speeds. His forward-thinking innovations cemented the Great Western Railway as one of the most efficient and reliable systems in the world. The Great Eastern. Vision meets tragedy. By the mid-19th century, Brunel turned to the seas. His vision: to create the largest, most advanced ships the world had ever seen. The SS Great Eastern was his crowning achievement, a ship so massive it could carry 4,000 passengers non-stop to Australia. But the Great Eastern was plagued with problems. 2 companies went bankrupt trying to fund it, and Brunel often paid his assistants out of his own pocket. The ship's maiden voyage ended in tragedy when a boiler explosion killed 6 crew members. Brunel, already ill, was devastated. Just 8 days later, Isambard Kingdom Brunel died at the age of 53, his final and greatest ship incomplete. Legacy of a genius. Though his life was cut short, Brunel's legacy endures. The bridges, tunnels, railways, and ships he created didn't just transform Britain, they laid the foundation for the modern world. His friend Daniel Gooch said it best: by his death, the greatest of England's engineers was lost, the man with the greatest originality of thought and power of execution. Brunel's story is one of ambition, resilience, and sacrifice. He never built the retirement home he dreamed of, but his creations have outlived him, serving as a testament to the power of bold dreams. Sometimes, the greatest achievements come at the highest personal cost. Isambard Kingdom Brunel's story reminds us of the power of human ambition and perseverance. But what do you think? Which of his achievements inspires you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stories of history's most brilliant minds. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we uncover more incredible stories of innovation and resilience. Share this video with your friends, because Brunel's legacy deserves to be celebrated far and wide. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.